Hello friends, welcome on 100 on 100 in Eco platform, the best solution for economics because it offers the best explanation, excellent notes, huge question bank with the precise model answers and much more. So today's tip I will give you about the function of central bank. One of the function of central bank is controlling credit. Can you tell me why is such a function being given to central bank? The reason being controlling credit is very important for the economy, for the stability of the economy and for the growth of the economy. When credit is not controlled, it leads to adverse conditions in the economy. By credit we mean loans. If the commercial banks are in the habit of giving more and more loans to the public, it leads to higher purchasing power in the hands of the public, which further leads to increase in the aggregate demand, which puts pressure on prices because the supply cannot be matched up with demand, with the increase in the aggregate demand. And therefore, as more and more credit is being given by the commercial bank, there is a possibility that it will lead to inflation in the economy. Therefore, there has to be some authority which can control the credit, which has the power to control the capacity of the commercial banks to forward loans and grant credit. And therefore, this particular function has been entrusted with the central bank. Do keep in touch with 100 on 100 in Eco and do get 100 on 100 in Eco.